Nakabenta ki khobor ke baman kasngi subscribe yo Antor News.
Kulai Pibro kini gilong ki kubor mamta kasi. Commissioner but Secretary Katna Revenue and Disaster Management usan jeguel ulai tu kajala kadi kajaka kabaknyu bah Jumai bat baki paidbah kide belong ki balapan kre. Usan jeguel ul kentu ikin hun baper bakan sim kia ya ke exercise baro bat bantenju yala di hadu katno kajala lapan kre matam ya kum kini jingjang. Cucu kasorkan kaladan ya kajing pelit jengmut bahkamat ya nalor kiwai ki jingjulor jongka mariang ya ka state level mock exercise halo ka jingjulor Jumai ka balong ka artrik urisau ka Meghalaya state disaster management ka tenat revenue harakat ka national disaster management authority ka sorkar India kila pelong ya ka tabletop exercise hajaka kumha polo Thong bagi kamu jong mock exercise kalong penbisar bah ya ke disaster management plan bat ka standard operating procedure jong ke jela bat ke district bat tu ya kita baper ka babatai ya ke kamram bat ke jing bat kli jong ki kanhun ka kum ka incident response system man pentikna ya ke jing trelang hapden ki emergency support function bat penperstu ya ki paidbah nalor kiwai
and simultaneously it is in the other districts also. And as you are saying that we are just creating certain scenarios. The present scenario is of the earthquake. The NDRF here is now presenting that how do we rescue the survivors from the collapsed building. This building we have taken up as an example of a collapsed building wherein the only way of survival is through these ropes and all. So through you I would like to just appeal to the public that kindly be aware of these kinds of disasters. Don't panic, get prepared. We are doing this exercise to just see what kind of coordination we are doing amongst all the agencies, and in the days to come we'll be doing it at the community level, at the very small level, so that everybody is aware about their roles and responsibilities, and more importantly people should be sensitive about it. Thank you.